Hi there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I cut lettering using Cricut Maker, and basically I actually use the font that's available free under the Cricut design space, and this is what I've actually done. It's going to be for a quilt and it's going to be appliqued down onto a background fabric. So basically I actually put a steam paper at the back of this fabric in order for me to actually stick it later on onto the backing. It makes it so much easier. I love steam. I'm gonna put a link down below so that you can check it out, and I'm just putting this under the Cricut Maker and it's actually cutting. It takes quite a while to cut and I didn't wait for it. I basically come back after it's done and now I'm peeling it off. So it does take a while to actually peel it off, so I'm doing it this way so that I don't have a kind of like a curvy fabric. So I just wanted to make sure that it's still flat. So that's how I do it, and then I am going to just weed it out. Basically the Cricut Maker also have the accessories, weeding accessories. They have the tweezer, suitable tweezer, and also a scraper, something like that, and it really works really well because at this time when I was making this I didn't have those things and I was just using whatever I have. I was just using ruler right here, but it didn't work so well because once I bought the real accessories it works so much better. So if you are going to buy a Cricut Maker, make sure you buy the accessories as well. So I'm just peeling this off, and as you can see some of the white paper didn't come off because it's a kind of like a double-sided tape. So basically you have it sticking to the fabric, which is the black fabric here, and also when you peel it off later you can stick it onto the background fabric. So I love this method of applique. It makes it so much easier for me to kind of like handle all the little fabrics. So now I'm really happy with the cutting because it's so fine, and I'm actually using it in this quilt which is done already. I'm going to have a blog post on the quilt itself, on the finished quilt, also some tutorial, but that's not going to be up very soon yet, but I'm hoping that it will be. I'll edit it and then have it up. So if you want to make one a quilt like this, make sure you keep on following, and so far, and happy quilting. Bye bye.